Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I will show you how I made chocolate rice flour pound cake. In a mixing bowl, I added the wet ingredients first and then mixed well. I used butter in this video, but I made it again using vegetable oil and it was more moist, so use that instead. Then I added the dry ingredients like rice flour and cocoa powder. Make sure that you sift the rice flour first before putting it in the mixing bowl. So after everything is well combined, I put the batter in a 8x3 bread pan and baked it. And once the chocolate rice flour pound cake cooled completely, I used a star cookie cutter shape to cut out star shapes. And lastly, I decorated the top with royal icing. If you want to make this, I put the recipe on my website, sugarcoder.com, as well as in the video description. So what do you think about the design? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.